Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Courtney-Ann, and on this channel we do virtual real estate tours. Today I have a hot new listing that's located just off the Manor Park area, and it's by far one of the most unique home designs that I've seen so far, and you'll see why in a bit. So just as you step inside, we have our guest bathroom on the right, which you will be seeing shortly, but look at this open floor plan. I think it's a pretty decent space. We have the living room area here. We also have an additional seating area at the front, and then we have a dining area at the back, which I'll show you later on. Of course, you can rearrange this to your liking. I'd personally put the dining room nearest to the doors and then use the back dining room area that's being used currently as a nice little living room. I think it's more cozy. I think it's better that way. But as you can see, we have ceiling fans, we have outdoor balconies and doors. Now this particular seller has a lot of unique art pieces which I found very interesting, so I decided to include them in the video. Come to find out, she has a passion for travel and obviously a passion for art, which I really appreciated. Let's take a more focused approach on the living room, though. It's very ventilated, lots of natural lighting, access to your balcony, lots of electrical sockets, so like I said, you can rearrange the space to your liking. Here is the guest bathroom that I mentioned earlier. So it's sort of a powder room with a toilet area and also your sink to wash your hands. So it's nothing extravagant, it's just for your guests to touch up themselves. But let's step into the kitchen. So like I said, it's an open floor plan, so you can walk right into your kitchen. You do have an island that you can sit around and dine. The stove is also located in said island, and as you see, it's very open, very spacious. You won't be bumping into each other if you do decide to have some family cooking event. Frosted glass cabinets, lots of counter space, lots of space for additional appliances, because as you see, the counter is pretty empty right now. Lots of storage underneath as well. And I'm gonna just open up the larger cabinets so that you can see how open they are. Sometimes cabinets can be a little bit tricky because not all of it has the open space, but this one does, and I just really love that about this kitchen. Now, because the owner is trying to get her house sold, she's also offering the appliances with the purchase. So if you're interested in this listing, please reach out to Miss Audrey Wong. She is a wonderful soul. She's one of the realtors that I work with for my videos. Just let her know that Courtney-Ann sent you. You can let her know that you saw the video and that you're interested in this listing. So as you can see, we have a double sink here and even more storage. So what I showed you earlier, that's not even everything. And here in the same kitchen area, we have a little storage closet, which is being used right now for cleaning supplies, but you can transform this into a pantry if you want to, or you can maintain it for what it is, which is a storage area for just supplies and stuff like that. Let's take a look at this spacious laundry area. So you do have a water heating system on this property. You can fit a washer and a dryer in here, and also there is room for your helpers quarters. Currently, this is known as the helpers space. So you get a full bathroom, the shower is over there behind that door, and you have your bedroom space. Now right now it's being used for storage, but like I said, with a little bit of creativity, this can be a cozy bedroom. Now, once you leave your helpers quarters, there's a next large window which allows for lots of fresh air and natural lighting, and it's giving you a peek of what's to come in the video, because those aren't just plants, but I'll show you that later down in the video. Once you exit the kitchen, this is the space that I mentioned that's currently being used for dining. Now personally, I would use this as a living room space instead and use the more lit area as the dining room, but whatever you prefer, you can definitely do whatever you want with this space. It is extremely flexible. This is the back of the kitchen, so you still have counter space even when you exit the kitchen, so it's very easy to entertain. You have an additional storage room, which if again you're creative, you can easily turn into another bedroom or a guest bedroom, but currently it's just housing some supplies. Now let's take a first glimpse at bedroom number 1. Now, fun fact, all of the bedrooms in this property have ensuite bathrooms and also your own closet space. So it's a very large area. Again, You have access to the balcony in this room as well. You get your own private door. You have your own bathroom, which I'm going to be showing you in a bit. You have your own closet. You have a linen closet just outside this bedroom as well. And as you can see here, the closet has 2 doors, so you can actually fit a lot more things in there than it looks like. This is the door I mentioned, which brings you to your balcony. Now don't worry, of course you're going to be seeing the balcony in this video. I could not come here and not show you that gorgeous balcony. But in the meantime, let me know what you think about this bathroom. I think it's nicely nestled in the corner of the bedroom. It's a full bathroom. You get space for your cabinet storage. You get lots of counter space. You have racks to hang up your towels. You have a shower area. I think it's a decent sized bathroom for the space that it's in. And this is the linen closet that I mentioned, which is just outside of bedroom number 1. Let's jump into bedroom number 2. Now guys, this property is 3,400 square foot, which means you get a lot of house and a lot of space. Now bedroom number 2 is a lot larger than bedroom number 1, but it isn't even the master bedroom. Can you imagine that? Now look at all of that natural lighting coming in. The closet is even larger. The bathroom is even larger. So this bathroom, it has a similar setup. The paint is a little different, but that is an easy fix. You don't have to worry about that part. Full bathroom, shower, toilet, sink, storage underneath. If you're enjoying the house tour, guys, we are almost 1,000 strong, so go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Join the family, click the subscribe button so that you can see more real estate videos from myself, and let me know your thoughts on the house so far in the comment section. Now look at this gorgeous closet. It's so large, so roomy. You have overhead shelving, and you can definitely install more shelves below and still have room to fit larger areas. Next up is the master bedroom. Now the master bedroom was a very uniquely designed bedroom, if you ask me. Again, the African culture was maintained throughout this entire house, and I really appreciated that. So the bathroom here has a double sink, storage underneath. Right, let's take a closer look at the sink and the fixtures. You also get cabinet space underneath for you to store your toiletries, any bathroom supplies that you need to store. The thing about this bathroom that I liked was the private wall that separated the toilet from the rest of the bathroom, so you get a little privacy when you're using the toilet. Here's a closer look at how the sink is looking. And you get a jacuzzi. Now, how many bathrooms do you know where a jacuzzi actually comes inside that bathroom? Separate and apart from the jacuzzi, you also have a walk-in shower. So you get 2 for 1. Now remember, all of these bedrooms have ensuite bathrooms, so you do have this space to yourself and nobody else. Now, did I mention that you get your own personal linen closet separate from the rest of the household? That's right. Now this rug particularly caught my eye, not just because of the color scheme, but again the African designs. And if you know me personally, you know I have a passion for Africa. But do you know what I also have a passion for? Large closets. And this beautiful walk-in closet is going to be all yours. Now, like I said, you can customize the closets however you want. Right now they have overhead shelving, but I personally would put a little more shelves in there. Now this is the actual bedroom area. As you can see, pretty large, hardwood floors, lots of fresh air, lots of natural lighting, and again your door to access your balcony. Now I really loved this space. It was a different design than what I was used to, but I could also get used to it, and I also really love the color scheme. I'm a Wolmerian, so maybe I'm being biased. Now, you remember that green area that I showed you? It's actually a private area, or as I would say, a recreational area with a few metal benches. Hopefully the shot picked it up properly so that you could see and you could just hang out and catch some fresh air. Now this was by far my most favorite part of the house tour, and it was the views. This property came with killer views, and it's just so aesthetically pleasing. I've never seen a house designed like this before, or an apartment complex. The color scheme, the vertical incline, everything just came together so smoothly. Apart from the views, there was also a lot of rich scenery, such as this water fountain, which I found very relaxing just to sit by and listen to. So if you're that type of person, you can definitely just grab a chair and go outside and relax. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, there is a water fountain, extremely relaxing. It's giving scenery, it's giving nature views, it's also giving luxury. I mean, look at this place. It's literally so unique. You will not find this anywhere else. Again, if you're interested in contacting the realtor, her information will be in the description box below. Now, last but not least, the pool area. This property has 2 pools other than the green area that I showed you just now. So this is pool number 1 and pool number 2 is actually up top. So I'm going to be showing you the gazebo that is also in the pool area. So if you're having a get together, you do have a space to put on your barbecue or to change your clothes. And again, look at this view. This is the view that you'd be getting if you're at the pool side. And I just think it's absolutely amazing. Now remember that balcony that I kept mentioning with the private doors and your own entrance? This is it. Look how huge this balcony is, and it belongs to you and your family if you purchase this home. It's very spacious. You can definitely have a few benches out here, a few plants, and still have room to run around. If you have children, here would be a nice space for them to have some games. And if you're just adults and you need a space to reside, I think this is a nice entertainment area or a nice chill area. Now, if you buy this home, you'll be allotted 2 parking spaces, and this is the upper parking lot area. Forgive me if I'm holding the camera a little high. I was trying not to get anyone's license plates, of course. But they have a pretty decent parking space. There's some parking on your left as well. And then I'm going to be showing you some of the local plazas and restaurants in the area so that you can have an idea of what city life would be like. You're right near the city, but you're not in the city, so you have privacy, but in 5 minutes you can definitely have access to the bus station, the plazas, the restaurants, and everything that Kingston life has to offer. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. All opinions are appreciated. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and again, join the family and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.